So one of the more recent trends and buzzwords in the service industry is the whole Internet of Things. And we hear about it all the time. And how does that affect us as field service delivery providers and field service software vendors? Well, in a number of ways. The manufacturers, as they build new applications or new products, are installing sensors into their devices that can send off messages out to the internet with potential problems, or when we expect there may be something wrong with the device. The sensor can then send a message off into what they call platform providers. So it uses the internet to send off that error message, and a platform provider collects that message. They say currently there are approximately 3 billion devices in North America that are connected to the internet. They say by 2020 there should be upwards of 20 billion devices connected to the internet. Well, how does that affect us as a service software provider and you as a service provider? Well, what's important is that our application connects to those platform providers. Some of the manufacturers have platforms. There are just some platforms like Amazon and Microsoft have their own platforms to collect these messages. So what we're doing is connecting to as many of those platform providers as possible and taking those error messages and automatically generating work orders from those error messages. And if we can extrapolate further on that, that gives us the ability to then interpret the message, where if the message is the ambient temp in this device is over X, and that means the compressor will likely fail in a period of time. We can then provide a work order with perhaps a checklist of what needs to be done, or order a part that needs to be replaced as part of that work order that we've collected via the Internet of Things. So what that does for our clients is that will give them the ability to increase their first-time fix, so reduce repeat visits to the client, which is a huge cost savings. It will also, in an ideal world, eliminate downtime, which is just excellent for customers, and it's excellent for the service providers, and obviously increase customer sat. And then it then allows you to move from what's kind of today a preventive maintenance platform into more of a predictive maintenance platform, again, providing almost permanent uptime and reducing those break and fix work orders to predictive maintenance, saving time, money, and for the client, and of course, efficiency and cost savings gained by you, the service provider.